Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the application. As you can see here, this is a fresh install. So I'm just going to tap on accept right here. Now it will ask you to open up a demo account. Well, don't do that. Okay, just tap on X. Now what you're going to do next, okay, is just go back right here. Now tap on messages. Now go ahead and tap on register. Okay, tap on register, sign in with Google if you want to, or if you want to use another email, just go ahead and tap on get an account right here. So I'm just going to sign in with Google. Okay, now just go ahead and tap on get an account. And if you can't create an account this way, you can just go ahead over to mql5.com or tap on this link, then tap on login and tap on register. Okay, so in my case, I already have registered, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in with Google right here. And once you have your account, you can go ahead over to MetaTrader. Okay, tap on sign in right here under messages. And again, your password will be under your email. So just go ahead and look it up on your email. And here I have it. Here I have my real MetaTrader 5 account. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.